Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Araceli. This is Style by Ara. And I post 2 videos every week and it's all about my life as an engineer in Silicon Valley. I post a lot of fashion, vlogs, beauty, career, college advice videos, but today's video is all about my 2021 mini series, just kind of refreshing and resetting for the new year. Today's video is going to be all about how I plan my everyday schedule, my routines, using my planner, and I'll be sharing my planner that I will be using in 2021 and just kind of how I structure my everyday schedule working from home full-time as an engineer currently, and balancing YouTube and my hobbies, my small business, and really just my life. I am very much a type A personality. I like schedules, I like lists, I like routines, just feeling like I have my life put together on paper. So with that being said, let's get to this video. Alright, so I have always used a day designer planner in the past, like all throughout high school and college. That was my go-to. I love the ones that have the time blocks or the timestamps on there because I like to time block my schedule and just kind of plan like that. So yeah, I've always used the day designer, but this year I wanted to try something new and something a little bit more personal and customizable to my life and just be more like catered to my lifestyle. I do a lot of YouTube content, small business planning and stuff for the new year, and I also work from home as an engineer full-time, so balancing all these things and just self-care and spending time with my boyfriend and my dog, everything, and just I feel like there's a lot going on in my life right now and I want to be able to really balance it all out on paper so that I can just feel put together and just feel like I have my life together. So I wanted something a little bit more custom to my life, and I did a lot of Googling and searching, and I even asked on my Instagram for you guys to send me your recommendations for planners, and I got a few suggestions, and I looked at those, but I felt like they were still not customizable enough, so I did a lot of Google searching, and I know this is very extra, but like I said, I'm very type A, and I'm very like structure and routine, and just that's how my mind works. So I wanted something that was going to help me just be at peace with myself. So I ended up stumbling upon Golden Coil planners, and I found them through a Google search. I found their Instagram and I went to their website, and I loved how you could customize your layout to be pretty much any view that you could think of. They let you do that, and you can also have inserts on whether you're trying to track your meal planning, your budget, your fitness routine, or your goals, or any habits you want to track. I really love that, and you could also even add any projects that you're working on if you're a content creator or social media. Really, it was so customizable. I was obsessed. And I really wish this was sponsored because I'm honestly so in love with the layout, and it is a bit on the pricier side, fair warning. But for me, it was just so worth it because I looked at all the things that you could do with it, and I felt like it would just kind of help me structure my life for the new year. So I ended up purchasing one, and I received it in the mail a couple days ago, which I was super happy about because everywhere I looked online, all the planners, agendas were out of stock or back ordered, or they were going to ship mid to late January, but mine ended up shipping like right on time. And that was super exciting because I very much like to do things on the 1st of every month, on the 1st of a new year, on the 1st of every week. Like that's just how my brain works. So I really wanted it to come January 1st, and it did, and I'm super happy about it. But now I'm going to show you guys a little unboxing just to kind of show you guys what layout I picked and what's kind of important for my planner to have in the coming new year with just everything in my life right now. And yeah, if you guys are looking for a new planner and just kind of want to see what this planner looks like, so I'll be showing you guys a little walkthrough. So let's get to that right now. And And this is the planner that I purchased. It is Golden Coil, that's the brand. And you have two options. You can get leather bound or canvas bound, and I got the canvas because I wanted something hard shelled. I just felt like it'd last longer, so I got this one, and I got a gray color. Then on the inside, as soon as you open it, it has your name, and then it has a quote of your choosing, and I chose for I know who holds tomorrow, and that's just something I want to remember when I'm planning my life. Then the first thing you see is a year at a glance, so you see all the months if you want to write down any notes for a particular month or something like that. And then it has your first month, and you can choose where you want to start your planner with this layout. So if you want to start it in February 2021, you can do that, or later on. But I like to start a new planner fresh in January. And you can also choose an end date, and I think I chose June to be my end date. But then the second piece is having an ideas layout, and this is something I added in. It is a monthly layout that I want to have just in case I have any like YouTube content ideas, or really just any ideas that come up in my head for the month. I like to just have them on a list. I usually make this list on my like free write journal, but I think it's nice having this actually in my planner so that I can see any YouTube ideas as well for planning. And then I have goals that I want to track, and I want to track them yearly, monthly, and weekly. I know that's extreme, but it's important to have them just be from small to large scale goals, and I like to be able to just kind of track them throughout, and I really like this layout for tracking your goals. And I want to get better at tracking my budget, just to kind of save for certain things I want to purchase this year and certain things I want to do this year, and just kind of having my income and my expenses listed on here is going to help me a ton. And I really like that this layout has just like total income, total expenses, net income, and goals and stuff like that. So I really like that layout. And then I wanted to just have some lines to be able to list any things that I need for my budget. And I actually want to have a monthly bucket list. So I want to have like activities and ratings and stuff if I want to keep doing that or something like that. And this bucket list is going to include just like exploring new things in my city, because I moved to a new city and I want to be able to just like experience new things. So I thought this was a cute thing to do every month. And then I want to read a ton of books this year. I loved reading, or I've always loved reading, but when I got into college, I feel like I just kind of fell off the wagon of fun reads because I was so into textbooks. So really excited to get back into that. And then I wanted to have blank pages so that I could scribble anything I want down or draw anything or whatever. Just having blank pages is nice. And then this is my weekly layout that I chose. I chose 6 a.m. to 9 p.m. times, and then I chose a little to-do list, and I love to time block in my planner, so I thought this was necessary for me to have the times on there listed. And then I feel like I don't need to time block for Saturday and Sunday, so this didn't really bother me, but I know some people want to time block on their weekends as well, but I don't really mind. And then it comes with a quote for every week, and that's just standard, like it comes with it. And then this fitness tracker, I felt like I just really needed this to be able to track my fitness journey and that lifestyle and goals that I have for myself. And then I have meal planning. I usually have like my meal planning and grocery list on a separate journal, but that just means I have like 3 other journals that I use, and I think it's nice to have it in my planner because it is like a part of my organization and planning. So I thought that was really nice to have. And then I want to be able to just track weight and measurements, and these two spreads are actually weekly spreads. So the last week for my planner is June 13th because you can only have a certain number of pages in your planner, and that's as far as I could go because I had a lot of inserts, but you can really make it yearly if you don't have a whole ton of inserts customized to your planner. But I didn't mind that it ended in June. And then it has a cute little pocket for anything you want to store in there.
If I could, I'd be your man. Hold you down the best I can. If I could, I'd read your mind. Make you happy all the time. 'Cause I get so
Alright, now that I've showed you guys what my planner looks like and the layout, I'm going to be telling you guys how I use my planner to structure my days and just be organized and have structure and routine. So first thing, every Sunday I like to treat it as a reset day, a way to just kind of start on a good note the rest of my work week. And I do this by not only getting all my chores done on Sundays, but I like to actually look at my work calendar so that I know what my work schedule looks like for the week, what meetings I have going on, what are my projects for the week. And I like to organize my everyday schedule based on my work schedule in the weekdays, just because I really never know when I'm going to start my day unless I look at my meetings, because some days I'll have like really early meetings, some days I'll have like later meetings in the evening, and it just really depends, and it's changing every week, I would say. So it's kind of hard to have like that perfect 9 to 5 schedule working from home right now. So I like to just make sure I have my meetings down because those are a priority. My work is my priority in the weekdays, just because I feel like everything else in my life I can kind of just fit around my work schedule, but my meetings can't be moved. So I do that first thing. I time block all my meetings and project work time and stuff like that, looking at my to-do list for the work week. And then also on that note, I like to actually look at my work calendar every evening as I'm kind of doing my evening routine, which if you guys are interested in seeing, it's in the description box below. But I like to just make sure that I don't have any like last minute meetings that I may like sleep through early in the morning or something. So I do that every evening just to make sure I'm good for the next day. And then I always like to do my morning routine. I do like a little morning ritual, and I will be filming that soon. I want to get that up on YouTube as well, just to kind of give you guys any productivity or motivational tips in that morning routine, because I'm really trying to get it down to a science and a habit to be able to be just like really productive with work. I think going into work like rushing just sets my tone for the day, and I don't like that. So making sure that I'm intentional with my time in the morning and not going straight for my phone and stuff like that is really important. So I like to structure my day around like a 6 a.m. morning, and yeah, I'll be showing you guys like a morning routine later on if you guys are interested in that. And in my planner, I also like to plan out any YouTube content, filming or editing or planning content, really anything like that. And that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed and got some inspiration for how you're going to structure your routine in 2021 and just build your life that you want to have. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys take care and stay safe. If you guys have any suggestions for other videos you want to see from me, make sure you comment down below and subscribe to my channel, and have a great rest of 2021. I'm super excited to see how this year plays out for everyone. So thank you so much for watching again, and I'll see you guys next time.
my best to